Hey you guys, I'm getting ready to make my shampoo. So I'm gonna use a tablespoon of shikakai powders. And we're gonna also use a tablespoon of this soap nut, also called reefer powders. I learned about soap nut when I had Adriana looking for a natural washing powders. So yeah, I used to use the washing powders to wash her clothes. So we got a tablespoon of that. Each of those. We're gonna stir. I did this last year, but I only did it once. I didn't stick to it. I probably should have. Sifted. But my hair felt so amazing. So we're gonna use a quarter of a cup. It's not even a cup I'm using, really. Quarter of a cup of aloe vera gel juice. I'm gonna mix that up. I'm gonna also add some water in here as well. I'm gonna use a quarter of a cup of water, distilled water. Looks like hot chocolate. Gonna keep mixing and we'll be back. Okay, I'm gonna do 5 or 6 drops of peppermint essential oil. 5. And I'm gonna use rosemary. 5 to 6 drops. Mix that up together. Ooh, it smells good. All fresh. I have these little small 1 ounces of bottles. Accidentally bought them, so Use it for something. Got that one. Drip, drip, drip. I'm gonna freeze the rest of this. So if I don't use it, if I use it, then of course I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna soak. I have fine hair, so I'm gonna wet my hair up. And yeah. So this is my shampoo that I've just made. I'm gonna shake them up really good. These little small bottles. I can use these and put oil or something. I have two more. I have a, I think this is 8 ounces. Or look, yes, might be 8 ounces. I didn't want to use that because it's not even 8 ounces. I have about 3 ounces of product here. So I'm gonna wet my hair and I'm gonna wash my hair. I'll see y'all. 1,000 Roses, love yourself first. This is what I'm doing because the last shampoo I did, my hair didn't like it. So let's see what this does. Peace. Love yourself first.